Hi Soho House members, my name's Alyssa Rosenheck. I am an interiors and architectural photographer. I am an author. I am also a cancer survivor. Today I'm sharing with you how to counteract burnout with creativity. It's something that we all deal with. I'm going to go into the whys, the hows, and the management behind it. Why creativity? Well, creativity is one of the many antidotes to stress, and stress is often a precursor to burnout. Creativity connects us to ourselves, helps us identify our own inner needs. Creativity allows us to process feelings and allows us to be very present. And the act of creating is calming and nourishing. So how do we incorporate more creativity in our life? Well, number one, work with your hands. Get outside in the garden, bring the florals inside and arrange them. Start cooking, create vision boards, start framing artwork laying around your home and put it on your walls. Number two, learn a new skill. This can be picking up a camera for the first time and teaching yourself photography. I highly suggest mirrorless cameras. They are so fun to play with. It can be learning a musical instrument, learning how to write a song, journaling, poetry, learning how to style. So how do we manage this? By managing our energy. This can be us leaning into the people, places, and things that are giving us life, bringing us joy, giving us energy, and releasing the rest. Creativity can be used as a preventative daily practice. It can also be a strong companion to us when we're going through challenging, stressful times. This is what happened when I was diagnosed with cancer. I simply picked up a camera and taught myself photography as a healing catharsis. It opened up a brand new world for me. Creativity connects us to ourselves and it connects us to our community. I want to say thank you for hanging out with me today, sending you so much love and nourishment from Nashville. Bye.